Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to install NFS on Ubuntu. I have two machines, John and test1. John is a server and test1 is a client. I have an IP address of, okay, let me make it bigger. We have to update first. And we have to install NFS kernel, server, in server. And then we have to create a directory for which we are going to share. It is getting installed. Okay, it is installed, and then we have to create a directory. I'm going to create in /mount as a /share folder. The directory has been created, and then we have to give permissions for that. For changing the permissions, I'm using chmod 777 user group others. All have full permissions. Yeah, you can see all user group others have full permissions. And I'm going to redirect to /etc/exports by using nano editor. I have to add that client IP and details. My client IP address is 192.168.248.134. Okay. Okay. I have to save this now. By giving Ctrl X, it will ask to save or not. I'm going to save it by giving yes. Here RW is read and write operation, synchronizes sync sync. Write any changes to the disk before applying it. No subtree check is prevent subtree checking. And now I have to export FS -a. If there is some error displayed, means something you have done wrong or you have missed some steps. Check it, and I have to check the Ubuntu firewall status. Okay, I have to add client IP address. UFW allow client IP address to any port. NFS. UFW allow from client IP address to any port. NFS. Rule added. Check it. Yeah. Here it is added. Rule has been added. Once it is done, we have to restart that NFS kernel. It is restarted. Check the status of that NFS kernel server status. It is running. I have restarted again once again. Now we have to install some packages in client machine also. It is NFS command. Once it is done, create a directory where you have to mount that server shared path. I have created a directory and now we have to mount server IP address, and you have to give the path /etc export folder server and /mount folder client folder. So here we have to edit, we have to give it is mounted successfully. So for this, now we have to check let's create a file. And check it in the client machine. Yeah, you can see that there is a file created. Let me try editing here in a client machine, so whether we will check out whether it is reflecting in the server or not. Yeah, you can see that there is a directory created, test. Here I have created. Once it is done, try to edit that file. Permission denied. We have to check that. file has been given permission or not. There is no permission given for that file, so we are not able to edit. So it is throwing an error, permission denied. Now we should be able to edit. Let's check that whether that edited is saved or not. Yeah, you can see here, hello, how are you? I have edited that file there. It is reflecting on server also. Here also it is reflecting. This is how we install NFS and share and check it out. The common errors when we get installing NFS is n/etc export. If we are not giving the correct mount path folder which we are created, our IP address is wrong, then we will get an error. Apart from that, we have to check the firewall status also. Make sure that it is the client IP address is allowed so that we can edit and we can access the mount shared folder or shared path which has been given from the server. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.